This is to show you how to cast on with the thumb method. Really useful, good to know, easy once you get the hang of it, and gives you a much better edge than just kind of looping it round. What you need to do is not to start too close. If you start too close to the end, it won't work. You need to give yourself a whole length of yarn that you estimate would be enough for the first row of stitches that you need to make. Then maybe give yourself a bit more, because a tail at the end is handy for sewing in. I make a slip knot. Like so. You can just tie it on, make a slip knot however you want to do it. But then that's the first stitch. And then with the ball of yarn on my right side, I position my hand as if I'm about to knit, and with the long tail on my left hand side, I start to make loops with my thumb. So you hold it, you take a loop, put it onto the needle, and then you kind of knit it. And you get a feeling of it being not too tight, not too loose. It starts to make a really good edge. And I'll do that slowly again. I'm taking the yarn, making a loop, putting that through, and then knitting it. And it's as if you've kind of bound it, so you can see you get a nice sort of almost diagonal pattern. And it makes the knitting the first row much easier as well, because you can just get started on knitting those when you turn round. Okay,